We'll be going across to our reporters with all the latest news developments. Alok joins us from Patna for the latest from there as Nitish Kumar hits out at the BJP and RSS. But first, let's get you the news from Rajasthan, where the State Assembly has passed two reservation bills that has taken the overall quota quotient to 68%, which is way more than the Supreme Court limit of 50%. Right now, Rajasthan has a 49% reservation, but they've given a 5% quota now to the backward classes, including the Gujars. Remember, the Gujars have been agitating for quota and also a special quota for 14% to the economically backward classes as well.
शीघ्र अतिशीघ्र इनका नोटिफिकेशन जारी करके माननीय महामहिम राज्यपाल महोदय से हस्ताक्षर होकर ये लागू हो जाए वस्तु स्थिति में और इन बिलों के आधार पर अति पिछड़ा वर्ग जो लंबे समय से आंदोलन में था उनके पात्र लोगों को इसमें नौकरियों में और शैक्षिक संस्थाओं में आरक्षण मिल जाए। इसके साथ आर्थिक आधार पर जो पिछड़े लोग हैं उनको आरक्षण मिल जाए। निश्चित तौर पर 9वीं सूची में जो चीज उसको सिर्फ जुडिशियल रिव्यू से बाहर चला जाए, इसके लिए 9वीं सूची में शामिल किया जाता है।
Sachin, two bills. What is your first reaction to this?
I think the great tragedy is that despite knowing very well that there is no provision in our constitution for economically backward people to get reservation, the BJP government in Rajasthan has openly made a farcical attempt. I think it's an eyewash. How can you have reservation for economic-based criteria when there is no provision in the Constitution? We in the Congress Party have supported the reservation as it stands today in the Constitution, plus anybody else who deserves to be given help and support should be given.
So what about the specially backward, the other backward?
In the Constitution, there is a provision for backward communities, backward classes of people. If you read the Constitution, 343 article of the Constitution clearly states that reservation should be given for socially, educationally backward classes of people.
But what happens to the limit then, the 50% limit?
There are many states like Tamil Nadu and Maharashtra where the 50% limit has been breached, provided there is tangible evidence, data, and there is a substantial ground on why you're breaching that 50% limit. That's possible. It's happened in many states. But the economic criteria is yet to be debated. The BJP has a full majority government in the government of India and the parliament. Why don't they first amend the constitution, include this provision, and then bring the law? I think what's happened today in Rajasthan is merely an eyewash because they did the same bill 2008. It will not pass scrutiny of law, so it's basically just another julma by the BJP.